Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got to another video. In this video I'll show you how you can connect with DoorDash Driver app. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's get started. So for that, simply go ahead, open up your particular app store in your mobile phone, and now from over here go to search bar and type in DoorDash Driver, Delivery Driver, or Driver app. Now as soon as you do that, this is how the option gonna look like. You will have this one option of DoorDash Dasher, and then you can see get paid fast, be your own boss, etc, etc. This is for you to simply be the driver, right? And this is for the food delivery. So make sure you have this particular app suggestion got on and tapped on get for this one, for you to download this particular app for your use, for you to simply create a DoorDash Driver account. So just have to wait patiently for a while for it to download. Once it's done being downloaded, you will find this kind of interface. Go ahead, tap on this open, and there's how you will be able to access the app and be connected to it. Simply create your account and you're good to go. So that is how you will be able to do so. Hope this video was helpful to you all. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys in our next video.